Greg Mills has been an engineer for a long time. For almost 30 years, he's designed, tested, and built circuitry for everything from flashlights to satellites. But in 2019, the Arizona Board of Technical Registration determined that Mills no longer had the right to advertise himself as an engineer.
And so the first letter I got from the BTR just assumed that they would realize their mistake and ignore me from there on forward, but they didn't. They sent a second letter, and I realized that this isn't going away, and so I thought I'd better talk to an attorney or two.
Ultimately, Mills filed a lawsuit against the board. This lawsuit has been ongoing for almost 7 years now and is currently at the state Supreme Court level. Goldwater Institute's Timothy Sandifer sat down with me to discuss the licensing issues at the heart of the case.
In the Mills case, it's totally unreasonable. In the Mills case, Mr. Mills is not going to hurt anybody, and the law is designed in such a way that it doesn't actually protect anybody from being hurt anyway. Because if he went and worked for a manufacturer, which is not defined in the statute, he wouldn't need a license. So it's like you need a license sometimes, but you don't need a license other times, and there's no real difference between those two things.
In other words, the board doesn't have an issue with Greg Mills conducting engineering work as long as he isn't the one directly profiting from it. For example, a company like Boeing could hire Mills as a full-time employee to legally design and build circuitry. But if Boeing contracted Mills through his business to build the exact same circuitry, it wouldn't be legal. The Arizona Board of Public Registration maintains that this dichotomy protects public health and safety, which is their legal responsibility. Ultimately, it's up to the Arizona Supreme Court to decide.